Everyone, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So now in this video I will share with you a new investment project. In this project you will invest your money and get more profit in future, and also get daily profit. So without wasting our time, we can start the video. If you are new on my channel, so must subscribe my channel, press bell icon for latest videos and notification. So as you can see, the website was open and the name of this website is Matic Hive, and you can see the detail about this project was available in this website. Must read them to know about the project, how it's work and how you get profit from this project. So first of all, you can join this project. You can first of all go to the description of this video and click on the link of this website, and the website was open. So as you can see, the plans of this project was also available in this website. So simply I can scroll down and share with you the plans of this project. AIB plans was available. You can see choose AIB, and plans was available. Honeybee 5 to for minimum 5 matic to 200 matic you can invest and get 3% per day forever. You can see hold bonus 0.002% per day you can get from this plan, and this was very beneficial. You can see the minimum price was also too much low, and you will get 3% per day, and it's plan for lifetime, forever, you can see. And the next plan was Bumblebee. You can see minimum price was 200 and maximum 500 matic you can invest in it and get 5% per day, and the plan was active for 40 days. Having, you can see hold bonus 0.004% per day you will get from this plan. So must invest in it and get daily profit from this plan. And you will also know see and know about the third plan, the mining bee, and the minimum invest in this plan was 500 matic and the maximum was 5000, and you will get daily revenue 7% from this plan. And this plan was active for 50 days, you can see, and you will get hold bonus 0.008% per day. These are the basic plans of this project. Which one you want, so simply select them and invest your money on this plan. So simply we can scroll down, and you can also see B stats, and the detail about your portfolio was also available. Bonuses and total earning percentage of your earning also shown on this screen, and you will see how you can invest in it, this project. First of all, you can connect your wallet from which wallet you want. Simply I have a MetaMask wallet, so simply I connect my wallet from this, so I can invest my money in this website. So simply I connect my wallet, and I will tell you how you invest your money in this website. So friends, you can see my wallet was connected, and the detail of my wallet was also here. You can see my wallet was there, and it was connected, and the contract address was also showing. Matic was 0 BNB chain. You can simply copy your address and simply disconnect if you want. So these are the detail. Then you can invest your money in this website. Simply now select your amount, how much you want to hive. Simply I will select, and you will see you will get 7% or 0.2 matic daily. Simply I click on hive, and now you can see matic was 0. Simply first invest in your wallet, so you can invest in this website and get profit from this project. So we can scroll down more. You can see the total earning from airdrop. Simply you will add an airdrop, you will receive B coin instantly. As much as you stake, 1 matic is equal to 1 B coin. And the next step was, you can see, to add B token to your wallet, and open the wallet browser, and negative, you can see the website was also available. Stake then and click add token button. Simple. These are very simple method to get airdrop of this project. Simply add token, and then go to the browser of your wallet, and paste the contracted, and simply stake the amount of matic, and you will get participate in this airdrop and get benefit from this website. It's a very simple method I will share with you, and you can simply invest in it. As you can see, the token was there. Simply I add on my account, and now you can add this address and stake your money how much you want. So the next method of earning is referral reward. Simply I copy my referral link and invite my friend to get more commission and earn more profit. You can see you will get level 3 level 4 bonus, you can see on the level 1 you will get 10%, on level 2 you will get 5, and so on. You will, last bonus was 2% on level 4 account, and you will get very benefit from this project. And also I will share with you the social media account of this project. First of all, you can see the contract of this project was also available, and next you can see Twitter and Telegram account I will share with you. So friend, you can see the Telegram account of this project, must follow them for latest news and updates. It was a total a big community of this project. Simply join them to get information about this project, and you will get more benefit from this project. So must join them and get more information about this project, and you will get more money from this project. Hopefully you will see the detail of this project I will share with you, and you will see also how you can invest and get profit from this project, and how you can plan the how you can purchase the plan. If you like this video, so must subscribe my channel. Hope we will be meet in next video.